Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve one sum on gross annual value of house property. The question is, determine the gross annual value of the house of the following house properties. You are given four different house A, B, C and D, and you are given information as municipal valuation, fair rent, standard rent and rent receivable. Using this information, you have to calculate gross annual value of the house property A, B, C and D. Let us start solving the sum. In the previous class, you have seen the format, that is how step 1, 2 and 3 are calculated. Let us start with that. First, you should take municipal value. Municipal value of house property A is 20,000, B is 21,000, C is 22,000 and D is 23,000. Now, this municipal value is compared with the fair rent of house property. So the fair rent of house property is for house A 22,000, house B 20,000, house C 23,000 and house D 23,000. The answer of step 1 is municipal value or fair rent, whichever value is higher. So step 1 is municipal value or fair rent, whichever is higher. WEH is whichever amount is higher. So here 20 or 22,000, 22,000 is the highest amount. Here 21,000 for house B, for house C 23,000 and house D, both the amount are same, so 23,000. So step 1 is municipal valuation of the house is compared with the fair rent of the house property, and whichever amount is greater is answer of first step. Moving to next, this step 1 is now compared with the standard rent. Standard rent for house property A is 19,000, house property B is 22,000, house property C is 20,000 and house property D is again 23,000. Now the answer of step 2 is step 1 or standard rate, whichever is less. Answer of first step is municipal value or fair rental value, whichever is higher. But answer of second step is answer of first step or standard rent, whichever is less. Step 1 or standard rent, whichever is less. So what is 22,000 or 19,000, whichever amount less, that is 19,000 is answer of house property A, 21,000 is answer of house property B, 20,000 is for house property C, and both the values are same, it is 23,000 only for house D. Now this value is compared with the rent receivable. Rent receivable. What is rent receivable for house property A? 21,000. House property B, it is 19,000. House property C, 19,000. And house property D, 24,000. So these are the rent receivables for A, B, C and D house property. Now our step 3 or gross annual value is answer of step 2 or rent receivable, whichever is higher. So our answer is gross annual value GRV is step 2 answer, or rent receivable, whichever is higher. So what is the highest amount, 19 or 21? It is 21,000 for house A. In case of house B, 21 or 19, again it is 21,000. House C, 20 or 19,000, it is 20,000. House D, 23 or 24,000, the answer is 24,000. So gross rental value it is, gross annual value it is. Gross annual value is answer of step 2 or rent receivable, whichever is higher. I hope you have understood this simple sum wherein we are just asked to find out the gross annual value. You are not given any adjustments such as rent, unrealized rent or vacancy period rent or municipal valuation. This is just a simple basic sum wherein you just have to go on comparing one value with the other value. You have to find either the highest value or the lowest value, and then we get the gross annual value.